Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone watching this is having a great day. We are gonna try to start FSD here in a parking lot, and it's kind of a obstacle course here, so I want to see what FSD is gonna do. Starting off with pedestrians. One thing I don't like is it sets the speed limit pretty high. Not a big fan of that. Ooh. Wow. I can't believe it made that left turn. I thought it was gonna totally mess up over there. That is, wow, that was pretty amazing. I'm glad I slowed it down for this hill too, but hey, so far so good. So hey, let's keep it going.
Turn left onto South Shirlington Road.
This should definitely make for a pretty interesting video now, because if you could tell on the map, we got a lot of obstacles ahead here. So I love putting FSD through challenges so I could show you real life settings. You know, I want to give you an example of, say, people are walking by, cars are turning, you know, just normal traffic situations that people run into every day. I'm not editing this video or anything. Like you saw the way I pulled out of that parking spot. I honestly was getting ready to take over, and I thought it was getting ready to pull into that parking spot. I'm like, what is it doing? And then it just made this gnarly left turn, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna let it go. So, all right, here would have been nice to automatically speed up, but
bear left to stay on Shirlington Circle. Then bear left to stay on Shirlington Circle.
all right, let's see if it just it can handle it. You know, especially when you're in like new areas and you see like forks in the road like this. Sometimes you get confused. It's like difficult. Which one should I go into? And that's one thing FSD does a great job at, putting you in the right lane and making sure that you know. Like, again, you can see right here, this is one of these situations where another fork after the fork, like, you know, if you're not familiar with the area, things like this, like, is difficult. So it's pretty cool to see FSD know exactly which lane to go into and, yeah, merge.
Interstate 395 north ramp on the right.
Alright, so of course the Mustang didn't let me in. I almost took over there, but I didn't. You would have heard the sound if I did. So yeah, now FSD is going to merge us on to 395. Let's see if it can do that without any input. Yep, turn the turn signal on by itself. So now I'm officially on the highway.
In 1 mile, take exit 8A on the right onto Virginia 27 toward Virginia 244 West.
So yeah,
Pike.
That was a pretty fun part of the drive right there. I mean, as you can see, since I started moving, FSD has been in control. I'm now on the highway. Zero interventions, and you saw like real life situations happening. Like I'm not making any of this up. This is things you're gonna run into every day on the road, is people trying to cut you off, people not trying to let you in for whatever reason, you know. So some things it does really well at, some things it can improve at. I believe 10.69.3 will be available next week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm trying to put these updates to all the tests, especially for the DMV area. I mean, I don't know how many beta testers are out here, but definitely comment below. Love to see if there's any other beta testers in the area, because I see a ton of Teslas in the DMV area. I know they're very popular. All right, so FSD doing a great job of indicating for me, making sure I got in the right lane. You know, I could have easily missed this exit, but
left toward Virginia 244 Columbia Pike.
FSD does a great job of making sure I'm in the right lane, and that's something when you're driving in new areas, really helps. Like if this area is
Now
foreign
take the
to you,
Virginia 27 ramp on the left.
you could see within the last 5 minutes how many of these forks and like highway exit turns and like, yeah, it can get pretty
500
confusing.
feet,
Like,
keep left to stay on Virginia 27 south toward Virginia
it's just a big
244
mixing
west,
bowl over here.
Columbia
So
Pike.
you could waste a lot of time if you take that wrong exit, especially where I'm at. If you take the wrong exit, you end up in DC. And there you go. That's like 30 minutes
Now keep
added to
left
your
to
commute
stay
right
on
there.
Virginia
So,
27 south.
and it's happened. I mean, anyone that has to commute down 395 has accidentally taken the wrong exit, ended up in DC. I almost guarantee that's happened to everyone in this area at least once, you know, and it's just normal like that. There's so many ways that, you know, if you don't pay attention for 1 second, like you're stuck in, you know, either in some traffic or, like I was saying, you'll end up in DC. Oh, okay, so this guy's not trying to let me in. Let's see if he does now. All right, there we go. So really helpful as far as directions go. I can vouch for that. Notice how when you're driving on what Tesla considers highways,
In 1,000 feet, take the US 50 east
it
exit
uses
on
navigate
right
on
toward Washington.
autopilot, right? So FSD basically works on every other road besides a highway. See how people are merging onto the road here. You know, we're gonna keep these people into consideration. Look, FSD saw that, or whatever, the autopilot software
Now take the US
recognizes
50
that.
east exit on the right.
FSD will come up as soon as we take the exit here, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, automatically it automatically it put on the it gave me a forward collision warning there. Interesting. I should probably note that. But it turned the indicator on, it took the exit for me. Still no takeover since the beginning of this video. I've just been paying attention. So right back there, it was taking the exit, and I got a forward collision warning. And they say like if autopilot's enabled, you're not gonna get marked for that. But I definitely gave that as some feedback because that was a really tight exit. So anyways, I can expect on a few updates it handle itself a little bit better over there, and eventually, you know, not. Yeah, like it's really cool being able to see in your blind spot
1,000
here
feet,
too.
Turn left onto North Courthouse Road.
Aha, so I think I really threw FSD off with the red light up there. Oh wow, that was really interesting. I'm gonna note that as well too. So still no takeovers, but
Now turn left.
I
onto
should have
North
been in this
Courthouse
left lane.
Road.
So FSD actually did not, as I was saying it continually, you know, puts me in the right lane. But this time it did not. But
In 500 feet, take the North Road Street, North Queen Street ramp on the right.
the
toward
best thing
North
I can
Gulf
do is
Street.
report that
Now
back
take
to
the North
Tesla.
Road Street ramp
So,
on the
which I
right.
did
In
by
500
hitting a
feet,
snapshot.
bear left onto Arlington Boulevard.
Ooh, look
Now
at
bear
this.
left onto Arlington Boulevard. In 500 feet, turn left onto North Queen Street. Now turn left onto North Queen Street.
So at least it's gonna reroute itself. I'm not in like a major rush, but you know, like I said, a wrong turn here could actually be like 30 minutes added to your commute, but thankfully like this is not gonna really make a big difference. But if I don't know if you could see through the video that the left turn lane was actually
Now turn left onto 14th
on the other
Street
side of the
North.
median. So that's the reason why it kind of threw it off, because in the camera it was still showing there's a light there, there's a left turn there, but you know, for some reason it got thrown off by the median. So ooh, look at this, man. Sometimes this thing feels like a roller coaster. So yeah, I just got to my destination here. I really want to thank everyone for watching this video. I pretty much had a zero intervention drive, but as you can see, beta is not perfect yet. You know, there was a lot of red flags that went off during this drive. You know, even though it fully handled itself, you know, improvements can be made. So I want to thank everyone again for watching this video. Look, see, it's trying to take over this guy. Not good. All right,
In
there's the
500
takeover.
feet, turn
So
right onto North Courthouse Road.
literally as I made it to my destination. Thanks again for watching. Hope everyone watching this has a wonderful day.